So here's the color. So I'm going to take off the black, select the fill. I'll give it a color. And now I'm just going to try to make this shape. I can even just take the pen tool and just use the shift key to help me build this up. And I'll do it a couple ways for you. The smart guides are showing me that that's the line coming across. And this one goes about in the middle. So I'm just raising the pen and it tells me that it's intersecting, so there's the first part. For the second shape, I'm just going to use the rectangle tool. Here's the window shade. I'll bring this open just so you can see it, all the tools. And just draw from corner to corner, and there's the piece that's filled. So I'm just going to give that just a lighter value just temporarily so you can see it. Or maybe I'll just change the color altogether. So now that's a flat piece. I select this blue part. I just move it so you can see it selected. Undo it, put it back where it belongs. And then go Effect 3D and Extrude. Now I don't know how big this is till I get into this Options panel. Click on Preview and you can see the distance. So I'm just going to extend this. And see, that's a little too big. Getting better, getting better. Maybe right about there. I can always click inside here and use the arrow keys to shoot it down a little bit. So at 220 is what that one is. So I'm going to keep this access and everything the same. All these numbers, just leave it the same. Click OK. In fact, I might, let's do it to the left. Whoop. To the back. And here's to the right. So you can kind of see that part. So I click OK. Next one is the purple one that I have, so I go to Effect 3D, Extrude, and again here's the preview for it. There's the distance that it is. And click and just use the arrow key on this one. And remember, this is just the little piece that's going to fit in the back. And here it is. So I can place it back there and go to Object Arrange, send it back, and see if I can, whoop, Mike, don't grab that part. See if I can't place that piece in there. So right now I have that part that's going to be on the back. If I have to modify this, I'm going to change the direction of this. I go into the Appearance panel, click on 3D, and it brings this window back. Okay, and I can, this is the XYZ on these corners of this box. I can rotate this around, and you notice that it's just highlighting this. It's minus 17, 19, and minus 5. So sometimes you have to make a note of that just so you keep that section going. Go to the More Options, and I can change the light source of that one. So I'm just going to jot this down for the XYZ coordinate here. Click OK. And then click on the blue one. I already have this panel open, so just click on it. Make sure Preview is highlighted. Okay. This is 17, so I can just click in there. This one's at 19 positive. And this one is at negative 5. Okay, so the lighting's a little different, so I'm going to throw the light up there just to kind of show this section. So these two pieces, this one I can bring to the front and just kind of nestle it right in there so you're getting that angle there. Okay, so for most purposes that's the shape. The only thing that's different is this color, so I can click on the fill, go back into the panel. You can see there's just two colors, and fill that blue. Click on this one, fill that blue. So you get the two shapes. So select this guy. He was a lighter tint, and there's the solid part there. Okay. So there you go. There's the tab key. And see if you can pop that in there.